Hi, I'm Vivek, co-founder of Synergic Solutions, a software company into the ERP domain for more than a decade. The challenges that we faced should be categorized into two parts. One is the client server technology when it was on, and pre-AWS era. Here we had challenges of connectivity, a secured infrastructure, sustainability, and consistency. We've gone through a lot of rut during ransomware attacks, so we were looking at something which was much more secured and scalable at the same time. So these were the challenges that we faced as an ERP provider. Business challenges were attended when we found out about AWS, wherein we had a secured network which was scalable on demand and it was fully reliable. And at the same time, AWS has been a company which is equally obsessed with the word consumers, so the alignment was perfect. And that is when we decided to shift over. It was a huge challenge because we had 100 plus clients to be impacted across the globe, but we went through and it went well. As far as it being easy or affordable is concerned, I would say there's nothing called easy because change is always difficult. So this was also difficult, but in the longer run, the affordability and the peace of mind that it gives, it was any day worth it. And if you compare it to the on-prem kind of an infrastructure, this is obviously cheaper in the longer run. There were many business outcomes. Primarily, the first insight we got was from the users who were using the application. The feedback given was that it became faster, easier, convenient, and the efficiency increased. That is as far as the users are concerned. As a company, we had a huge leap of scalability because in tier 1, we could attend to the biggies and we had companies in tier 3 and tier 2 where the small SMEs started using our application. And we could expand internationally. There was a lot of other services that we got into courtesy AWS, which was oriented towards AI and ML. So that these were the typical business outcomes that we had.